Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Nioh 3 game. You got an error, failed to play movie, codec error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There is a very easy fix for it. All you have to do is to download a codec with the name VP9. And to do so, you need to open up your web browser and right over here. Here I have a link. Just copy this link from description of this video, paste right in the browser and then hit the enter key. You will find VP9 video extension. Click on the option install. This will directly open Microsoft Store to you. I have already installed this codec, that's why it is showing me to open. At your end, you will find the option of install. So simply install this extension to fix out the issue. Although, one more thing, if it is not available over here, I have another command. Copy it from the description of this video. Then click on start menu, type PowerShell and choose the option run as administrator. Now in the PowerShell, paste the command and then hit the enter key, and this will automatically install this V9 codec into your system, and then you are ready to launch the game. And one more thing friends, if this also failed, simply open up the game and choose the option basic game settings. And in the basic game settings, you will find the option of skip cutscenes. In the skip cutscenes, make sure it is not set to skip already seen dialogue. Simply doing these changes and save them, relaunch your game, and this will completely fix out the issue of failed to play movie. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.